Alright, so here's where we're at. Taking this fender off so I can fix that crap there. The framework is halted for the moment because ran out of materials. But in order to weld the steel pipe that goes across here, I have to get the seats out so that I can get the carpet out. Otherwise it catches fire in the car or on the carpet and it just becomes a pain in the ass. And while I was at it, there's just a bunch of rust holes and crap. And over here in the back, see the frame was actually cracking here. These punks put this, and then just put this piece of silicone here to cover it up. These bastards. Now, there's two little bolts that go across here and join this piece to the fender. But you couldn't really reach in there, so I just cut off this piece of sheet steel. It's like this side. So two bolts there. And then I'll probably do the same what I have on this side with the eighth thick pipe with threaded nuts all the way through. Do that on this side. So it's becoming a major restoration project. Got rust here, so I'll fix that up. And just look at these bastards. The factory was really a cheap car. They put fucking clips or staples. Got some foam shit going on here to redo that. Yeah, big job.